How to fix Capcut export error. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying Capcut export error and resolve issues with templates and filters not working due to no internet connection. The first thing you'll need is a VPN. If Capcut isn't available in your country, a VPN will allow you to access the service by connecting to a country where Capcut is supported. For example, you can choose countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Singapore, or Vietnam. Once you've connected to your chosen country on the VPN, open up Google Chrome and search for Capcut Signup to be redirected to Capcut's official signup portal. Now, I highly recommend signing up using a temporary email to keep things simple. You can use an app like TempMail to generate a temporary email for this purpose. Once you've got your temporary email, use it to create your Capcut account through the website, not the mobile app, as you might face some issues when trying to sign up directly through the app. After signing up, open the Capcut app, log in with your temporary email and password, and the export error and template issues should be gone. While this method resolves most issues, it's important to keep in mind that some features, like AI-based templates or premium filters, might still require a subscription or payment. If you find that Capcut with a VPN continues to be a hassle, or you simply don't want to deal with the VPN anymore, you can try other video editors like InShot or VCut, which work great as alternatives for mobile video editing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips.